Oh, come on. You were snoring really good there, big doggy. Okay. He's still the best bud.